Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unpackaging to share with you guys. This was sent to me by Urban EDC Supply. I can't remember what it is. It's something that should be available, I think, so I'm going to link it right down below. You can check that out if you want to. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. Link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. This has actually been torturing me for a bit. I'm opening this up on a Monday, and it's been sitting here all weekend. Whoops, did I cut into some paperwork? No, nothing important. Okay. So, okay, we have a pouch. There's a label on it. I don't want to look at that because I kind of want to just react. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I kind of remember this now. Oh, there's a hole. Okay. I kind of remember this now. Extremely straightforward, but handsome. Sometimes, sometimes simple is called for. Sometimes straightforward is called for. And that's what we've got here. Fully flat ground blade, front flipper, but because it's a front flipper and it does not, need to make room for a, traditional flipper tab, this area is all open, which means despite this being this is smaller than the Para 3, guarantee it. Para 3 at 7 1/4. Yeah. I'm going to say that's just under 7. Yep. 6 3/4 inches there with a 3-inch, right on the line, 3-inch blade. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So the actual link for this will be down in the description if there is information that I can give you on it. I probably will have some text on screen to explain that. That's going blind with these unboxings, so sometimes it's hard when everything's abbreviated and I don't actually know. Let's take a look at the pivot here. Nice looking pivot, simple pivot color. I'm gonna guess we will have different, maybe some different variations here with titanium ano. Maybe different contrasts with the pivot collar. Nice large T8 hardware. We have a lanyard loop thing, which is good. Do we have internal milling, skeletonization? Yes, we do. There we go. Steel lock bar insert, 3D milled titanium clip. What you want, right? The stuff that you want. No idea what this is going to cost. Feels probably not, it feels foreign made. It's very good. I'm just saying, like, when you handle so much of this stuff and you kind of know. Front flipper is very easy to get a hold of. I'm doing this left-handed, by the way. Very, very easy to manipulate. Really like that we've got just enough room to get a full purchase on this guy. Can't complain about that. Edges on the spine back here are not incredibly aggressive. You can see it's catching my finger a little bit. Those of you who, strike flint off the back of your knife, you'll appreciate that. Jimping just stops right here. Yeah, it's okay. I kind of wish it was up here. Kind of wish it was up here a little bit. But then again, I don't know. Do I care that much? No, not really. Everything feels good. No blade play, up, down, left, or right. No lock stick whatsoever. Just that's the stop pin right there. So no shouldering. There's where it's connecting right here. But that's fine. And this has to be bearings. Okay, so yeah, it's bearings. So free spinning pivot. We also have a floating stop pin, and there are parts of the backspacer that are floating, but other than that, nothing too crazy. That wasn't an overly complicated disassembly. So, yeah, this is pretty cool. Very straightforward, not anything that's like, oh my gosh, wow, I've never seen anything like that before, but certainly something that, a lot of people enjoy. So, as is usually the case with front flippers, now I say this about most front flippers, kind of wish there was a secondary means of deployment. Then again, if you're really used to front flipping, right, then you'll probably be okay, right? This isn't something that I would be, if I worked on a construction crew every single day. This would not be my dedicated knife. But for people who don't do that, maybe they have more of a casual, day-to-day, then yeah, and I think that's what this was built for. So it's not like they're, missing the target there or anything like that. But anyways, I think that's pretty much all I'm going to say right now. This is not a review. This is just an unboxing and first impressions, so we will do the full comprehensive review a few weeks from now after I've had a chance to kind of, you know, experience it. Thanks so much once again to Urban EDC Supply for sending this in. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives. They're either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.